Hello and welcome to this new EdgeSEO challenge. Today we're going to talk about internal links, also known as inlinks. These little links are often forgotten, but they consume your crawl budget because of 300 redirects. Thanks to the bulk URL rewriting application, you'll be able to fix them in bulk without modifying the HTML content of your pages and all that without touching your CMS. Bulk URL writing lets you rewrite a link to a new URL without modifying the page itself and without triggering a redirect. It's perfect for fixing poor internal linking, directing bots straight to the correct URL without going through a 301 and avoiding wasting your precious crawl budget. Let's get started. In our example, we're going to fix this link, bestseller at the bottom of the page, which currently redirects to a 404 page. So here I'm going to click on the link. You'll see I'm redirected to a page, a 404. And my goal is to be redirected to this page instead. Bestseller. Now I don't have any products here, but this is just for the example, of course. So to do this, you'll always start from the same Google Sheets template. If you haven't downloaded it yet, click here and make a copy. If you've already downloaded it, as is the case for me and probably for you as well, you can go ahead and fill out this file directly. So bulk URL writing does several things, but today we're going to focus solely on correcting inlinks in your pages because it's a topic that comes up often in SEO audits. So in the first column, you will enter the URL that is making an error. So this is the one with best-selling pull number 2. In the URL rewrite, you will add the corrected URL on which normally you should redirect your users, and then you have 3 options. For feature rewrite, set it to N for no. For feature replace URL, set it to Y for yes. And for feature redirection, set it to N for no. Once you've filled this out, download the file as a CSV, go to the bulk URL writing application, and upload the bulk URL writing file. If there are any errors, they will be indicated to you. If everything is green, you can click on the deep button. There you go. Now I'm going back to the home page, and when I click on my link, you'll see it's been fixed. I click on it and I'm properly redirected to the bestsellers page. And of course, this link is now fixed on all the pages. Here, for example, I'm on a new page. I click on it and I'm properly redirected. We're really going to fix the inlinks across all your pages. Congratulations. You've just fixed an inlink in a few minutes without any dev, without tickets or Jira, and without breaking a sweat. With bulk URL writing, you can also optimize your navigation paths, fix your linking errors after migration, and open fested pages to indexing without disrupting your CMS. We'll show you how to do that in an upcoming video. In short, you're taking back control of your internal linking, and Google loves that. And I'll see you very soon for a new challenge.